If you want to know hamster facts, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And stick around till the end for a surprising fact. First up, did you know hamsters can run up to 5 miles in a single night? That's like running a hamster marathon in your sleep. Second, these little furballs have built-in cheek pouches that can stretch all the way to their shoulders. Pretty cool, right? It's like having grocery bags attached to your face. And here's a wild one. Hamsters are actually little escape artists. They have a knack for squeezing through the tiniest gaps, so make sure their cage is secure. Houdini would be proud. So did you learn something new today? Don't forget to hit that like button if you did. And remember, there's always more to discover about our tiny friends. See you next time.